Yo, Novatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are looking at this announcement from Harley-Davidson. I am a little late on the news, but you know what? It is what it is. Better late than never. Let's just look into these this new announcement. I mean, I don't know if you guys seen the marketing or the commercials. They're talking about some kind of a performance-inspired builds or something like that, but it's not. Here we go. Inspired by racing, built for touring, but they're not doing anything to these bikes. It's just colors. It's just paint like always. We've been seeing this for the last couple years. Nothing huge innovation. I mean, if this thing would have had the riding modes that I've been asking for, or something along the lines where they've updated something, maybe 117s or maybe 124 stocked from, or factory stock from Harley-Davidson, that would have been good. That would have been nice, but obviously that's going to cut into their profits because they can't sell you, or they can't upsell you those components, and dealerships are going to lose because they can't install those, so they're losing out on. Obviously here in my area, you're looking at $160 an hour for work, so that's a lot of money that dealers would be losing out if Harley was giving you racing inspired bikes with this Apex factory custom paint. And what this is, it's just that you can order these. You know what? I don't know if you can order this paint set. You used to be able to do that, but can you? I'm not sure. I think you might have to buy it straight from the factory. But it's a good looking color. It's got that classic black. Obviously, it's one of my favorite colors. I mean, black looks good on anything, and then you have some orange highlight, which is pretty much Harley's colors. You have that orange highlight, and you have that classic black, and then you have a little bit of that gray with a little bit of a honeycomb design. If you guys seen the Artic Blast, a good looking bike. It's got that ghost that ghost honeycomb design, which looks good. But I mean, on this one, I just don't know. I'm not too sure. I don't think, does it come with RDRS Standard? That's what I'm wondering. For $3,000, because at least the Artic Blast had a RDRS, which is their traction control. It had that standard, but you can see a little bit of it. You have a little bit of that ghosting effect right here. So it's a combination of one of their more popular colors, which is the gunship gray, with of course a traditional black, and then it's got that barn shield orange, or the Harley-Davidson orange. And like I said, it's a good looking color, but is this thing worth $3,230? No, I don't think so. I mean, I wouldn't pay $3,000 for this. Not me, but I don't know. I mean, I guess someone that likes this color. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of it. But yeah, it looks good. It's different. It's nice that they're offering something, but there isn't. I mean, if you guys are out there wondering, well, does it come with improved suspension? No, it does not. Does it come with an improved, or at least a cam in it? A torque cam would have been nice to be included along with the the extra $3,000. No, it does not. Like I said, that cuts into Harley's profits, and that cuts into the dealer's profits. If they were to do that. So that, yeah, they're not going to do that. So it's just colors. I mean, that's it. I have all the bikes here. You can look at them, but if you're wondering, if you're wondering about the price, I'm going to tell you right now, just your basic blacked out components special, that's an extra $900. Oh, here, you guys can't even see it. $930. All right, let's just look at what Harley has. Explore the paint, motion, like the motion blur of a XR750 under the lights. I'm not sure what where they get that in. You know what? I just realized it's not actually a honeycomb design. It's a barn shield. It's a barn shield design. So I thought it was a honeycomb. But no, it's a ghosting of a barn shield, so it's kind of like a lace pattern. Speed, the sweeping lines across the tank and fairing communicate speed even when the bike is at standstill. I guess. Colors, a vivid black base with Jetfire orange used on HD competition models throughout history, is paired with ghosted barn shield pattern seen on HD factory team flat track and drag bikes. So yeah, I mean, that's it. That's all you get. Just colors. You give us $3,000, and we'll give you, we'll give you a color that screams the opposite of what owning Harley-Davidson is, and not give you any of the benefits, or not giving you anything from our vast Screaming Eagle lineup of components that we have to actually give you, speed and race, and inspiring by racing, like a torque cam, or like a 131, a 124. They have these parts on stock. They can give you that for $3,000. I would rather opt out. I would rather get, maybe based on Harley's prices. I'd rather get a stage 2 or even a stage 3, especially with these bikes. And if you're more of a highway rider, then obviously you want a stage 4. But for my taste, I'd take a stage 3. You guys let me know in the comments, what would you guys rather have, stage 3 or stage 4, or would you rather have this paint set? I don't know. This is just typical Harley. And enough rambling. You guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.